Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to teleport near Alliance and Rise of Kingdoms. Teleporting near your Alliance and Rise of Kingdoms is easy and gives you strategic positioning on the map. Start by tapping the arrow beside your VIP button at the top of the screen, which opens the teleportation options for your city. You can use this to move close to your Alliance's location or any chosen spot on the map. Another option is the Territorial Teleport, available in shops or Alliance inventory, which lets you target a specific location within your Alliance territory. Keep in mind, teleport items cannot be used while under attack or during a rally. Any random teleporters move you unpredictably. Before teleporting, always double check the map to ensure you're moving to the right spot and avoid landing in risky area, maximizing your safety and strategic advantage. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.